Now to the Supreme Court and the debate over birthright citizenship. The justices will hear arguments today in a case that could go far beyond the immigration issue. ABC's Andrea Fujii explains.
The Trump administration's push to end birthright citizenship goes before the Supreme Court today.
What's really at stake at this hearing is huge for the future implications.
On his first day in office, President Trump signed an executive order declaring that only newborns with at least one parent who is a U.S. citizen or has permanent legal status can become citizens.
Birthright citizenship is about slavery. It's not about tourists coming in and touching a piece of sand and all of a sudden they're a citizenship. They're a citizen.
But federal judges blocked the order in 3 separate cases. Opponents argued the 14th Amendment Citizenship Clause applies to anyone born in the U.S. regardless of the parent's legal status.
The text says what it says, and what it says is if you're born here, you're a citizen.
But the justices today could also focus on the power of federal judges to stop President Trump.
We don't know whether the justices will talk about the merits, the legal merits of that executive order and about the 14th Amendment and birthright citizenship, or whether we're only going to talk about whether a single judge can stop a president's order from going into effect throughout the entire country.
It was back in 1898 in the landmark case of U.S. versus Wong Kim Ark when the Supreme Court ruled that children born in the U.S. to non-citizens are Americans by law.